Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save to watch later. Now you can save this video for the watch next time because you don't have enough time for watch right now. So first I open PC on PC, then open YouTube tab. So you can select any video here. So I select this Australia versus South Africa, maybe second T20. This is I want to watch later. So just click on this 3 minute dot, again click on save to watch later. Wow, it's saved. Now how to find this video, right? So now this is the left side, you can see watch later. Just click here. Wow, you can see this is a match, this video already saved on here. So another 3 video I saved before. That's it. So if you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.